Hi. Today, we will see how to convert various things into a number and the problems associated with it, in JavaScript. Let's start. Here, I have a simple HTML page code. In the script tag, I have written the JavaScript. First, we are converting this 123 string into a number. And we show the output in an alert. We will see the output later. Then, we convert this string into a number. Here, we have a 123 string, but there is some empty space before and after the numbers. Then, we have a number string here, but there is a space between the numbers. Then, we have a number string, but there is a decimal point in between. Then, we try to convert an empty string into a number. Then, we have a string that has some numbers in it, and an alphabet also. Okay. Now, we have a variable called a. The value of the variable is null. We will try to convert this null into a number. Then, we have another variable called b. The value of the variable is undefined. We will try to convert this undefined into a number. And finally, we have a variable c. The value of the variable is nan. We will try to convert this nan into a number. Okay. Now let's run this HTML page in a browser and check the output. See, first we get this 123 alert. It is for this line of code, where we have a 123 string. Then, we again get a 123 alert. It is for this line of code, where we have a 123 string with spaces at the beginning and end of the numbers. Then, we get a nan output. Why? Because of this line. There is space in between the numbers inside the string. So JavaScript cannot convert this into a number. Therefore, we get not a number nan output. Then, we see numbers with a decimal point. Then, we see 0. Why? Because of this empty string. An empty string, when converted to a number format, becomes 0. Then, we get a nan output. Why? Because of this line. There are some numbers in the string, but there is also an alphabet. So JavaScript cannot convert this into a number. Therefore, we get not a number nan output. Then, we see 0. Why? Because of this null value. And a null value, when converted to a number format, becomes 0. Then, we get a nan output. Why? Because of this line. An undefined value, when converted to the number format, returns nan output. And finally, we get a nan output. Why? Because of this line. A nan value when converted to the number format returns nan output, because obviously, it is not a number. So that's it. That's how you can convert various things into a number format in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.